Lalabas siya. Happy little boy. Okay, happy. Laway. Laway naman yan. Ay sus, happy ako, Dodi. Ikaw dito. Agay. Nadudulas eh. Si Kuya din, oh.
Tagal.
Oh.
Tagal.
Uy! Uy. Sino ba yung sex na si Kuya? Uy, happy ang mga boys. Happy ang magkuya. Uy, sunset. Ang ganda naman. Nasus. Happy
boy, if you feel it, you are happy. Yeah.
What is special today, Kuya?
My birthday and our specialist baby.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Is your birthday today?
Yeah, but I don't like bully grown-ups.
Ay, sus. What will you say to mga lola and tito who greet you happy birthday? Huh?
But the last bad tito, I don't forget it.
Yes, tito's that bad tito. What is name? Anong name niya?
Kanina, yung pinayak ako.
Pinaiyak.
Ito, Andrew.
Tito Andrew.
Yes, he make me mess. Make me a mess cry.
Messy cry.
And I forgot who's that again.
Tito Tita Tunet. Lola Tess. Love ka na. Tita Lola Tess. Love ka ni Lola Tess.
Yeah, and I love him so
Love
much.
her. Not. Oh, Guy. Isa naman dito. Gusto mo dito kasi ko dito. Enjoy na enjoy si Tabatchoy.
Oh.
Nasa labas si Tabatchoy. Happy siya. Happy yan Tabatchoy na yan eh. Ay, outside yan eh. Happy yan pag outside eh. Lamay.
Uy, lika na, lumabas na tayo.